Welcome to the best picks. The best cordless drill is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any DIY enthusiast or professional contractor, offering unmatched convenience and efficiency for a wide array of tasks, from assembling furniture and hanging pictures to more complex home improvement projects. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the perfect cordless drill to meet your specific needs and preferences, ensuring you make an informed decision based on factors such as power, battery life, features, and overall value. Number 5. Stalwart Cordless Drill Set. This powerful and versatile tool is perfect for all your DIY needs. It comes with 24 different bits and a charging cord, ensuring you're always ready to tackle any project. Easily drive screws in or remove them with a convenient forward and reverse switch. The ergonomic soft grip handle provides comfortable and controlled operation. It features an automatic spindle lock for secure bit changes, enhancing safety during use. With a no-load speed of 180 RPM, it's efficient and reliable. The integrated LED light illuminates your work area, making it easy to work in dimly lit spaces. No more struggling to see in tight corners or low-light conditions. This comprehensive set includes 24 screwdriver and drill bits, plus the cordless drill itself. Everything you need is right here, ready to use. It's made of durable plastic and metal, measures 4.75 by 1.5 by 5.25 inches, and operates on 4.8 volts. The sleek red design adds a touch of style to your toolbox. What we like. This power screwdriver set comes with various bits and a charging cord, ensuring it's always ready. The built-in LED light illuminates your work area, perfect for low-light conditions. If you need a versatile tool with an automatic spindle lock for safe bit changes, this is the one for you. What people say. Powerful little drill battery lasts a while. This is a great little tool for quick repairs, to put something together or crafting. It's not a workhorse, it's a great grab and use, toss back in the junk drawer or toolbox for the next time. Multi-tip rechargeable screwdriver. This drill, despite the size, was actually pretty effective at driving into multiple pieces of wood to securely fix the bed frame I was working on. Number 4. AVID Power 20V Cordless Drill Set. This versatile tool is perfect for any DIY project. It's powerful enough for tough jobs, yet easy to handle. With 2 speeds and 16 torque settings, it gives you precision control for any material. You'll get the job done quickly and efficiently. It's not just a drill, it's a multi-purpose tool. The included brush attachment makes cleaning a breeze. Its lightweight design and comfortable grip make it easy to use, even for extended periods. You'll appreciate the keyless chuck for quick bit changes. The powerful lithium-ion battery provides extended run time and is always ready when you are. No more worrying about power outages. It comes with everything you need to get started: battery, charger, cleaning brush, and more. Just add your drill bits and you're ready to go. What we like. This cordless drill boasts a powerful motor and multiple speed settings for greater control. It also comes with a drill brush attachment, ideal for cleaning hard-to-reach areas. If you are looking for a powerful and versatile tool with cleaning capabilities, this is the perfect choice. Number 3. Bosch GSR12V-140FCB22. This 5-in-1 drill driver is incredibly versatile and perfect for any project. Its compact design makes it easy to handle, and the high-quality construction ensures it will last. It's a drill, driver, and so much more. With 5 interchangeable attachments, it adapts to virtually any task. The keyless chuck attachment provides a secure grip, even when working with tough materials. No more slipping bits. The locking bit holder keeps your bit securely in place, ideal for high-torque applications. This prevents accidental bit slippage. The right angle attachment is perfect for tight spaces, while the offset attachment allows for precise screw driving near edges. Both attachments enhance your control and accuracy. Its built-in LED light illuminates dark work areas, and the afterglow function keeps the light on for 10 seconds after you're finished. This ensures you can see what you're doing, even in low-light conditions. It comes with 2 12V Max lithium-ion batteries, a fast charger, and a convenient carrying bag. Everything you need to get started is right here. It's backed by Bosch's 3-year limited warranty, giving you peace of mind. You can trust in its reliability and durability. What we like. This drill driver offers incredible versatility with its interchangeable attachments. The keyless chuck allows for quick bit changes, and its lightweight design reduces fatigue. If you value versatility and convenience in a compact package, this is the drill for you. What people say. The unit itself is so sturdy feeling and very heavy for its size. It's about the same size as the one I'm sending to my son, but it feels as heavy as a full-size drill. The motor is so smooth, the smoothest of any of my drills. The driver itself is shortish and can get into tight places. Quick change nose is great for multiple screw types: torque set screw, Nazi, sucks, star, Phillips and straight. Trigger is responsive to variable pressure and speed. Torque is excellent and faster RPM than Milwaukee. Lighter than Makita. From its light weight to the easily changeable heads, this drill will take care of mostly anything the average DIYer needs to do. I use it all the time as an electric screwdriver since it has a variable speed motor and the trigger is very easy to squeeze and control. I think I may have charged the battery once when I first got it and have used it to hang shelves, drapes, put together furniture and install smart panels, and it still has a full charge. You definitely won't be disappointed in that area. Just in case though, it does come with an extra battery. I almost forgot to mention how small it is, which makes it a lot easier to handle and get into corners, and for those extra hard to reach places, I just use the right angle attachment or the rotating position attachment. Number 2. Pink Power Cordless Screwdriver. It comes with everything you need to get started: the screwdriver, charger, bits, and even a 3-year warranty. Everything is included for your convenience. Its pivoting head lets it reach those hard-to-access spots. You can use it as a right-angle screwdriver or rotate it straight for versatility. The LED light illuminates dark areas, making it easy to work in tight spaces or low-light conditions. It's perfect for various tasks around the house. Weighing less than 12 ounces, it's comfortable to use for extended periods. Yet, it's powerful enough to handle a variety of projects. The built-in battery gauge keeps you informed of the remaining power, so you'll never be caught off guard. It also features a 200 RPM motor for efficient work. What we like. This small and lightweight screwdriver is perfect for tight spaces. Its pivoting head allows for access to hard-to-reach areas, and the LED light helps illuminate the work area. If you need a compact and versatile tool for small projects, this is the ideal choice. What people say. It was almost fully charged when I got it, and I was able to put my bookcase together and it still had a great charge. And it didn't kill my hands. And it had the bit I needed for the Allen wrench. It is super easy to use. It is exactly what I was expecting. I love that the drill handle twists to create a straight cordless screwdriver. Lightweight yet really powerful. Number 1. DEWALT DCD771C2 Drill Kit. This is the DEWALT 20V Max * Cordless Drill Driver Kit. It's designed to be compact, lightweight, and perfect for those hard-to-reach spots. It boasts a high-performance motor delivering 300 UWO of power. You'll be able to tackle a wide variety of applications with ease. This kit comes with a 100-piece accessory set. It includes many of DEWALT's most popular bits, ensuring you're prepared for almost any job. The set features impact-ready bits, a tough case for storage, and both pilot point drive and drill bits. Everything you need is right here. With its power, compact design, and comprehensive accessory set, it's the ideal tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. It's built to the high standards you expect from DEWALT, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. You can depend on it job after job. What we like. This drill driver delivers impressive power and comes with a comprehensive 100-piece accessory set. Its compact design makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. If you need a powerful and versatile tool with a wide range of accessories, this is the one for you. What people say. The 20V Max battery provides strong and reliable power, and the lightweight design makes it comfortable for extended use. The included 100-piece bit set is comprehensive, with a wide variety of bits that cover almost any drilling or driving need. Made well. Perfect size. The drill has great power along with a good variety of accessories. First time using something like this, so I'm learning to be proficient as I'm building squirrel houses, and so far very easy. I found no problem getting all items in the bag. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.